Transforming ordinary wooden or foam blocks into creepy creature models is a creative journey that combines imagination, artistry, and a touch of macabre charm. Whether you're crafting bats that seem ready to take flight, spiders poised to scuttle across a tabletop, or rats that evoke eerie curiosity, the process begins with choosing your base material. Wooden blocks offer a sturdy, natural texture, while foam blocks are lightweight and easy to shape. Each material presents unique opportunities for detail and expression. Start by envisioning the creature you wish to create. For bats, picture the delicate curve of their wings, the subtle contours of their faces, and the tiny claws that clutch onto branches. Spiders require an understanding of their anatomy. 8 spindly legs, a segmented body, and those haunting eyes. Rats, with their elongated snouts, rounded ears, and long tails, invite you to capture both their unsettling presence and the intricate details of their fur. Begin shaping your chosen block with coarse tools, gradually whittling away excess material to form the basic outline. For wooden blocks, a small carving knife or chisel works well to define the major shapes. Foam blocks can be trimmed and sculpted using a craft knife or even sandpaper for smoother edges. As the creature starts to emerge from the block, pay close attention to proportions. Wings that are too large may unbalance a bat, legs that are too short could make a spider appear less menacing, and a rat's tail must taper just right to evoke realism. Once the primary form is established, it's time for the magic of detail. Carbide burrs, specialized rotary tools, allow you to add fine to lifelike textures that transform your model from a simple shape into a compelling, creepy creature. For bats, use a fine burr to etch the veins and folds in the wings. Sculpt in each membrane and curve with precision. Carve tiny fur lines along the body, giving the appearance of softness and movement. Don't forget to add expressive facial features. Wide eyes, pointed ears, and a tiny snout can bring your bat to life. Spiders demand a careful approach. With carbide burrs, carve grooves along each leg, mimicking the appearance of segmented joints. Texture the body with tiny pits and lines to suggest the subtle hair that covers many spider species. For added creepiness, use the burr to punctuate the head with multiple small indentations, representing the spider's eyes. Highlight the mandibles and fangs, making them sharp and prominent. Rats, perhaps the most unsettling of the trio, offer a chance to play with contrasts in texture. Use the burr to create a varied fur pattern, short, dense lines along the body and longer, sweeping strokes for the tail. Carve out the delicate shape of the ears, smoothing their surfaces before adding subtle ridges and folds. Hollow out tiny nostrils and use the burr to detail whisper-thin whiskers around the snout. Each touch adds realism, transforming the block into a creature that feels as if it could scamper away at any moment. Once all the details are carved, consider finishing touches that enhance the eeriness of your models. Painting the wood or foam with dark, muted colors, deep blacks, grays, and browns, heightens their creepy appeal. Add a touch of gloss to eyes or wings to make them glisten in the light. For foam models, a sealing spray can protect your work and add a subtle sheen. Creating creepy creature models is much more than a craft. It's an exploration of form and texture, a celebration of the strange and the spooky. Whether displayed as Halloween decorations used in tabletop games or simply admired on a shelf, each bat, spider, or rat tells its own creepy story. Through careful shaping and detailed carving, these creatures come to life, capturing the imagination and bringing a delightful shiver to all who see them.